SlimPic is a weight loss supplement that promises fast results. It's supposedly endorsed by Dr. Gupta. True? Here's what I found. It starts with a video. Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, wherever, regular people talking about some magic gelatin recipe you can make at home. A few ingredients. Mix it in your kitchen. Fat disappears. Amazing. One problem. They never show the full recipe. Instead, they push you to the next page, tell you to watch the full video, and promise that's where they'll reveal everything. Sure. So I clicked. The page is built to look like a legit health article. At the top, there's an author, Dr. Sanjay Gupta. It says the article was updated 30 minutes ago. Then the headline, Dr. Gupta reveals the gelatin recipe to lose 15 pounds before April ends. There's a video, comments, logos from major news outlets. At first glance, it looks convincing. Then you look closer. The logos are just images, not links. They go nowhere. They're there to borrow credibility. Same with the comments. They look real. They're not. You can't like anything, can't reply, can't open profiles because it's not a comment section. It's decoration. Then the video, it's long, and there's a progress bar. At the start, it moves fast. Later, it slows to a crawl. Why? To keep you watching until the pitch, and the whole time, they keep teasing the recipe. It's coming. Almost there. Keep watching. So I watched the whole thing. And guess what? No recipe. No real ingredients. No proper instructions. Nothing you could actually make. Instead, the video is packed with celebrities, regular people, and a supposed Dr. Sanjay Gupta talking about a simple secret recipe he's now sharing with the world, except he isn't. Because the big reveal is not a recipe, it's SlimPic. Now suddenly Dr. Gupta recommends it. Celebrities recommend it. Everyone loves it. They claim the capsules contain that same gelatin recipe formula, already broken down, so it works even better. Convenient. When the video ends, a hidden section opens. Now you're on the sales page. 2 bottles, 4 bottles, 6 bottles, buy more, save more, classic upsell, free shipping, 100% satisfaction, then the badges. Same trick again, just images, not certificates, not proof. One says FDA approved. That's not how this works. The FDA does not pre-approve dietary supplements like this or confirm that they work. So that badge is fake. Then come the reviews, 5 stars, before and after photos, happy customers. Again, you can't click anything, can't leave a review, can't verify any of it. Then there's an about section, supposedly from Dr. Sanjay Gupta, formatted like he personally recommends SlimPic. He does not. Then you hit the checkout page, same formula again, 5-star rating, more badges, GMP, FDA approved, made in USA, GMO free. None of them link to actual certificates or registrations. What they do have is pressure tactics. 15 people are online now. Then the number changes. Totally made up. Then this. Over 9 out of 10 and 36,000 plus reviews. Then the discounts. 70% off. Today only. Everything here is built to rush you. And of course, smiling people holding bottles. Some of these images even have that AI-generated look. Faces a little weird, hands a little wrong. Now let's talk about those reviews. The fake article page has comments saying the recipe worked. The SlimPic page has glowing reviews. The checkout page says 36,000 plus reviews. So how do you check that? Easy. If tens of thousands of people bought this, there should be real reviews on independent platforms. So I checked Trustpilot for SlimPic. 0 reviews. Nothing. Not one. So we're supposed to believe there are 36,000 satisfied buyers and not a single public review on a major independent site. Right. Now back to Dr. Sanjay Gupta. This whole setup is built to make it look like he's behind the product. He appears multiple times in the video, framed as if he's revealing the gelatin recipe and telling you to buy SlimPic. The clips are a mix of real footage and AI. Some parts are real TV footage, but the voice is swapped or the mouth movements don't match. That's a deepfake. And Dr. Sanjay Gupta has publicly warned people about exactly this kind of scam. Scammers using his image, voice, and name to sell miracle supplements. He has clearly said he does not recommend these products, does not promote them, and has no connection to them. So when you see Dr. Gupta suddenly revealing a secret recipe and pushing SlimPic, don't fall for it. It's fake, it's a deepfake, and it's there to trick people. So here's the picture. Fake logos, fake badges, fake comments, unverified reviews, manipulative counters and timers, AI-looking photos, and a deepfake of a famous doctor. Thanks for watching. Stay skeptical.